Welcome back to Ema's Nail Box. What we're going to do today is guess who finally got her RozyHip Gemstone collection. Now, I did have to go directly to Korea to get this because it's been out for about a year, but I finally got it. So we're going to take a look. We're going to swatch these and see what they look like. Okay, so we're going to get into this box, and I've already pulled out the swatch card in preparation of swatching these. So let's take a look at it really quick. I've seen this before. It's got some boo-boos on it, but that's okay. I'm very, very happy I have it. Okay, so let's get into the box. And we have 8 polishes. And we're going to start with RM03 and RM04, RM05, RM06. I love these bottles. RM07, RM08, which if you remember, I already have one of these. RM09, and I believe I have this one also. This looks like sapphire, and it looks like my birthstone. So we might be looking at some birthday nails for that. And then we have RM10. So there's 8 colors. And what else is in this box here? Oh, it's a little stand for the card. Okay, yeah, no, mine go in a book. So let's get this out of the way and start swatching really quick. Alrighty, that's going in the floor. Okay, so I am prepared with swatchers on a non-magnetic stand because these are cat eyes. And I have my super strong magnet handy. So let's get into it. Okay, first up we have RM03, and it appears to be a red. So let's open this up. I already shook this or twirled it. Let's take a look at that red. Do you see those little sparkly glitters in there? That's what excites me about this. It's just not your normal cat eye. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Look at that. Look at those little sparkles in there. All right, let's give it a swatch. Ooh, very, very pretty. All right, that's RM03. Let's get my favorite magnet out. And, ooh, these will make some pretty nails too. Okay, in the lamp that goes. And we will move on to RM04. I think I already shook this one up too. It looks to be an amber or an orange color. It's an orange. Look at, I love those little sparklies in there. Let's give this a swatch. It's like a cinnamon color. But I'm guessing, since it's called gemstone, that this is, help me out, amber? That's what I'm guessing. Okay, the first one was ruby. This one I'm guessing is amber. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's flash cure that really quick, since I have one in the lamp. All right, we got that one out. This one going in, and we move on to RM05, and that is green. So what stone is this? Green. Is it peridot? Oh, that's a light green. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's green. That's a really dark green. Oh, there's a fouled brush hair there. But let's see what this looks like. I don't know. I don't know. I know some gemstones. I don't know them all. Is it green tourmaline? Let me know in the comments, because Ema isn't always right. Oh God, that's pretty. I really like that though. All right. These magnetic particles activate nicely. All right. I'm going to put that in the lamp and move on to the next one, RM06, and that's so pretty. That's a turquoise color. Yeah, I'm trying to make the gemstone connection here. So let's see what this one, oh, well, let's take a look at this one. I don't know, but it's an aqua color, turquoise maybe? Is it turquoise? Maybe? Or aquamarine? Or I'm not really sure. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad I went on the hunt for this because these are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. All right, moving on. We have RM07, and let's give that a twirly. Oh, fumbly hands today. Fumbly. That is amethyst. I'm gonna say that's amethyst. Oops. And oh, look how gorgeous that is. That's definitely amethyst. Now this is my first RozyHip full collection. And these self-level beautifully, and they magnetize beautifully. Gorgeous. That's definitely amethyst. Okay. Next we have, and we've seen this one before, RM08, because I got this from Sweetie Nail Supply during their anniversary sale. Oh, still just as pretty. This must be the garnet color. I'm gonna guess this is garnet. What do you all think? I think, yeah, that's definitely garnet. All right, let's give it a sparkly. I see the glitters in this one. I just love it. I love this one just as much as I loved it when I got it. That got me searching for this entire collection. All right. Uh-oh, we're out of order here. I gotta keep them in order. This one, and oh wait, the green goes first. Sorry, purple, and then this one needs to go in the lamp. All right. I've run out of, uh-oh, I only had 6 and I needed 8. Okay, I had to finish up a couple of these swatchers and add a couple of more. All right, we're moving on to RM09. We have looked at this previously, but for the sake of completing my swatch card, I cannot get over how stunning this blue is. It is definitely sapphire. This is sapphire. No guessing about this one. Yeah, this is going on my birthday nails. I am a September baby, a Virgo, and I love sapphire. I love sapphire. It's my favorite stone. Alrighty, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. All right, we have one more, and then we will take a final look at all of them and see what happens from there. We are on RM010 or RM10, and this is another aqua-ish color. It is more of a deeper turquoise. So yeah, I'm not quite sure. Let's put that on the swatcher and see what it looks like. Uh-oh, we got a broken swatcher. We need to fix that. Okay, we're back with an intact swatcher, and this is RM10. And I was looking at this thinking that this might be aquamarine. It looks like, or what's topaz, blue topaz. One of the two. It's darker, so part of me wants to say it's topaz, blue topaz, for the month of December birthstone. Okay, let's give that a, oh, that's gorgeous too. I love them all. I love them all. You know, thinking back on my Mayan Bee versus Bright Rainbow nails, I'm trying to think of what affordable polish looks like this. I'm not sure I could find a match, but Ema loves a challenge. Okay, that's all of them, and I'll be back. I'm gonna, off camera, I'm gonna put a second coat down and a top coat and get them on the swatch card, and we'll take a final look. Okay, off camera, I did a second coat and put the swatch card together to the best of my ability, which you all know is questionable, but I am not unhappy that I hunted this down. I don't know if you guys can see all that shifty, sparkly in these jewel tone colors. They are gorgeous. I'm so happy I got these. And I see that this one, my favorite color, is not in the right spot. It needs to move up a little bit. Oh, see, this is, do you guys see my struggle with nails on? I have a heck of a time placing these things straight and evenly with nails on. All right, that's the best I can do. Maybe when I take my nails off, look, that one's crooked. Okay, I'm not the best at this, but there we have it. It is the RozyHip Gemstone collection, and they are gorgeous. My birthday nails are going to be made out of that blue right there. This is June. September's coming up before I know it, and I like to get my birthday nails out of the way early. So there you have it. What do you guys think? I know I have often said, especially of late, that you don't need to spend these kind of prices. And that's true. When this was available on Sweetie Nail Supply, it would have been more expensive than what I paid for it. I went to eBay, I searched for it, and you can find sellers directly out of Korea. And I believe the listed price for this was $109. So I saved a little bit of money, but there isn't often a collection comes along that I'm this enamored by and must have. And kicking myself in the backside for not ordering it when it first came out. But there you have it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And we will see you all in the next one. If you would be so kind as to subscribe, if you're enjoying my content, it keeps me going. To see new subscribers, the comments keep me going, the likes keep me going, and it's so, so appreciated. Thank you again for being here. And with that, Marcus, Delaney, Alexis, Dawson, Lydia, Cassie, Noah, and Arlo, we love you so, so much. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our email.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when she posts.
See you next time!